The jungle, a world of endless sounds, hidden creatures, and untamed life. Everywhere you look, something is growing, hunting, or reproducing. But have you ever wondered how these wild animals keep their species alive in such a dangerous and competitive place? Today, we'll explore one of nature's most fascinating mysteries, the reproduction systems of jungle animals, and discover how life finds a way, even in the harshest corners of the wilderness. The dance of attraction, courtship in the wild. Before reproduction begins, animals must find the perfect mate, and in the jungle, that's no easy task. For many species, courtship rituals are a matter of life and death. Take the bird of paradise, for example. The males spend hours cleaning their display areas and perform complex dances under beams of sunlight, spreading their colorful feathers in dazzling shapes. The female, watching from above, carefully chooses the one that impresses her most. Because in nature, beauty and health often go hand in hand. Other animals use sound instead of sight. Male frogs call out night after night during the rainy season, filling the jungle air with croaks and chirps. Each species has a unique rhythm, like a musical signature, that helps females find the right partner. Even insects get creative. Fireflies, for instance, use light patterns to attract mates. Each species flashes a distinct sequence, a glowing language of love in the dark canopy. Mammals, nurturing life. Inside the body, among mammals, reproduction often involves long periods of care and connection. Mammals are warm-blooded and give birth to live young, which means the female carries the baby inside her body until it's ready to survive on its own. In the case of tigers, females are fertile for only a few days each year. During that time, they leave scent marks and roars to attract males. After mating, the female raises her cubs alone, hiding them in dense vegetation to keep them safe from predators. She teaches them how to hunt, stalk, and survive, passing on the skills of the jungle. Elephants have one of the longest pregnancies in the animal world, almost 2 years. Their babies are born strong and intelligent, able to walk within minutes. Elephant herds are led by wise matriarchs, and every member helps care for the young. It's a family-based system that ensures survival through unity. Even primates like monkeys and apes show remarkable social behavior during reproduction. Males compete through displays of strength, while females choose mates based on intelligence and social standing. Once the baby is born, it clings to its mother day and night, learning everything by watching and imitating. 3. Reptiles. Ancient survivors with simple strategies. Reptiles in the jungle, like snakes, lizards, and turtles, have been reproducing for millions of years, often using simpler but effective methods. Most reptiles lay eggs which they hide under leaves in soil, or inside hollow logs. After laying, many leave the eggs to develop on their own. Survival depends on luck and camouflage. However, some species, such as pythons, show rare signs of parental care. Female pythons coil around their eggs to protect and warm them, using muscle contractions to regulate temperature. It's a primitive but effective form of motherly care. Crocodiles, on the other hand, are surprisingly protective parents. The female guards her nest fiercely, and when the eggs hatch, she gently carries the babies in her mouth to the water, a soft side to one of nature's fiercest predators. Amphibians and fish, life in water. In the damp heart of the jungle, near ponds and rivers, amphibians and fish take a very different approach. Many of them rely on external fertilization, where eggs and sperm meet in the water. When the rainy season begins, the jungle comes alive, with the calls of frogs and toads. Females lay hundreds of jelly-like eggs in water, and males fertilize them externally. Out of those hundreds, only a few survive to adulthood, but it's nature's way of balancing quantity with survival. Some fish, like cichlids, guard their eggs carefully, while others, such as piranhas, lay them in hidden spots among the roots and reeds. Even in the underwater world, parental behavior varies widely, from total carelessness to extreme devotion. Insects, masters of multiplication. If there's one group that dominates jungle reproduction, it's insects. They reproduce in massive numbers and have incredibly diverse strategies. A female butterfly lays her eggs on the underside of a leaf, making sure her future caterpillars have food the moment they hatch. Bees and ants have complex colonies where the queen is the only one allowed to reproduce. Thousands of worker insects support her, caring for eggs, larvae, and the entire hive's survival. Some insects, like praying mantises, have shocking reproductive behaviors. The female sometimes eats the male after mating, using the nutrients to produce stronger eggs. It's harsh, but in the jungle, every act has a purpose. No matter the species, one rule remains constant in the jungle: only the fittest survive. From the moment they are born or hatched, young animals face predators, hunger, and disease. But those who make it through carry the strength of their ancestors and continue the endless cycle of life. Reproduction in the jungle isn't just about creating new life, it's about adapting, evolving, and preserving balance. Every chirp, roar, and song is part of nature's symphony, the rhythm of birth, growth, and renewal that keeps the jungle alive. The jungle never sleeps, and neither does life within it. From the tiniest insect to the largest elephant, every creature plays its part in the grand story of survival. Next time you hear the distant call of an animal or see the rustle of leaves, remember, somewhere out there, the miracle of life is happening again. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden reproductive world of jungle animals, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the wild. Until next time, stay curious, stay wild, and keep exploring nature's greatest